Today I found something in my post box. These two. First this, or first this. This because it's special. Adam's Playground. I can't give you the exact address, but on YouTube you type Adam's Playground. Very nice guy, and it works very well. He's specialized in Mad Max car, in modifying cars. So, hi Adam, thank you for your channel, thank you for your work, and thank you to all your community. And this is a Christmas card. He's very nice. I'm not so nice. Every Christmas he sent me fantastic! Merry Christmas, Adams. Thank you, Adams. Late, but Merry Christmas to you. But we are in touch. The other thing is this envelope. Open. And inside they open also this. Look. For a Tamiya pilot. This is my pilot. It's arrived. At the end, it is here from this guy. The fact that such a stupid thing passed through the customs service and they sent me, where do we are? In North Korea? This is humiliating. This is disturbing. This is my privacy. I'm an honest person. I'm a good citizen. Yes, I have my character. I'm not so good. Okay, but I'm honest. I pay taxes. And what can you think there's inside such a little envelope? This is terrible. Just because this comes from UK. With Brexit, you made a big mistake. Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel for another day of work on this wonderful model that is so far from the original one. This is I made about, I don't remember exactly, maybe 18 videos about this. And the work is explained quite well in 18 videos, obviously. And we have some more things to add, 2 or 3 works more to have the model that I want and to get to the model what I can give. One thing is in the interiors. I forgot seat belts, obviously. Which racing car has no seat belts? The other 2 are on the outside, on the body, and there are 4 openings I can do, and other 4 nice things. Here, exhaust. I found a way to fit the car with a semi-real exhaust. For sure, better than this drawing that is like a cartoon. Glue there, but double-sided tape here. Perhaps it's better double-sided, because glue takes too much time. And it's not finished. Another little piece. Okay. And the buckle here. And here something round. This is the head of a rivet. And I think it's perfect herein with a lever inside. Perfect. And when the glue will dry, it becomes transparent, so you don't see this horrible glue here. You see just the metal. Okay, we have our seat belts, just 4 points, not 6. And now it's not finished. Okay, and we have our seat belts. Just to see something inside the car, they are made so quickly, and they are here. Magnet body mount, fantastic. And we start the work to open 1, 2, 3 and 4. To cut the body, I think it's better to have this masking, and perhaps also by this side. Here not, because there's the sticker, so no problem. I follow the line of the sticker. How do I proceed? I think that I do some holes here inside, then with the cutter I joint the holes, then with the file I finish, and these are words. Doing is another thing. I show you at the end. I don't want you to stay here to see me at the end. First the holes, cut. And this is the easy part. Now I have to make them perfectly square. Nice. But this is with the original stickers, this is without, and without is much more better. So come on. Come on. Okay. This I don't want to throw away, because I don't want. Okay. Now there is this one. It's never ending. It's a never ending work, this one. Yes, but this is not so nice. I can leave it by now. So we have a lot of openings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, exhaust. Exhausts are made with this alu tube. This is one I made in the past. The idea is to cut around this line 1 and 2, then insert the cutted tube into the hole and look how it is with this part that is painted. It's not real. The thing, it would be better to cut up to here in order to see the tube, the piece of tube, but I don't know if it will be possible. So by now, first I will cut this, I put, and then I decide. But first of all, I have to make the 4 exhausts. This is the trial of the first hole with exhaust, a little bit better than the upper one. The work is not finished, but I'm very happy. Now I have to put this a little bit out to stop them with glue, and inside maybe with silicone, a ball of silicone that keeps everything all together. But I love these exhausts. Now I do the other on the other side. Attach it to the body with super glue first to take them in position, then this silicone. Now I have to wait it to dry, then cut the tubes and paint inside in light gray, that is the color for a right combustion in the car. These are over my expectations. Fantastic. I love it. Is it finished? No. There's another work to do. Pilot. In every video I told you about a pilot. I was waiting for it. Now it's here, and now we have to put on the car. But I would like to put it in a way I can pick it up and put it in. So in the next video we will have the pilot, and then the car perhaps will be finished. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Ciao.